My name's Jean Thorne. I live at Pegasus Court, which is a retirement flat block. I had storage heaters, but they were horrible. They were wide and you couldn't really control how much heat was coming out or when you wanted it to come on and go off. So I thought, I must do something about this. So I did a bit of Googling and I saw the company, which is Greenvision, and I thought, I think I'll get in touch with them and see what they do, because it said that they were Dimplex and it's a good old name, isn't it? So so I rang and they came out. They were very helpful. Then they came out to do a consultation. They fitted it, I think, a couple of weeks later. And I thought, well, I'm sure it's going to be a lot cheaper. And it has got much cheaper. With my old storage heater, I was paying around £150-ish a month. So I changed it to the Dimplex one and it's now £68 a month. So the experience I've had since I've had it in is amazing, really. It's so much easier to set temperatures, or you can change the amount of heat you want. It's just so versatile, and obviously it saves you money. Yes, I did encourage other residents that lived here, because I thought, well, what's the point of me just having something wonderful? So I've told, I think 3 or 4 residents that I've told about it, and they are very pleased with it, because yes, it does cut your electricity bills. Obviously the initial cost is soon outweighed by the amount you don't have to pay for your electricity.